ATL Automotive Group has officially been selected as the regional master dealer for the British car manufacturer MG Motor. This partnership includes the brand's sales and after-sales operations in Jamaica, with further regional management of 10 other Caribbean countries, including Aruba, the Bahamas, Bermuda, Bonaire, Cayman, Curacao, and for the first time, the Dominican Republic, Belize, Haiti, and Turks and Caicos. The company plans to establish a robust dealer network to support car and parts distribution, provide comprehensive service support, lead regional marketing initiatives, and offer top-notch training programs for its carefully selected dealer partners. Temporary showrooms will be established in proximity to ATL Automotive's flagship location on Oxford Road, with plans to construct state-of-the-art sales and service facilities in Kingston and Montego Bay by the end of 2025. Houston, Texas-based Avelo Airlines announced that it will launch its first scheduled international route this fall between Jamaica's Sangster International Airport and Hartsford Bradley International Airport, starting November 16, 2024. According to Avelo, it is the only airline offering non-stop service between Montego Bay and the capital region of Connecticut. The carrier will operate this route twice weekly on Wednesdays and Saturdays, utilizing Boeing next generation 737 aircraft. Almost 30% of businesses said lack of funding or access to funding impacted plans to expand in the second quarter. The latest Business Confidence Survey, which polled 100 businesses, showed that this represented an 8% increase compared with the first quarter. Executive Chairman of Market Research Services, Don Anderson, which was commissioned to carry out the survey, said the lack of funding and access to finance topped the list of reasons given by businesses at 29%. This is compared to 21%, which gave the same answer in the first quarter.